Hi guys, I just wanted to show you this fabulous blanket here that I have. It's got this chevron pattern, which is just amazing. And it's about, I would say, 6 feet by 5. And any ideas what I should make with it? Look how stunning it is. It's all crocheted. Any ideas what I should be doing? I would love to know. Thanks. Okay, so here's that blanket that I've cut out. I've placed a pair of leggings over it, and have basically just made like a wide pant with it. So I'm just tracing this out. I'm cutting this now out here. I've cut the first part. Now the bottom is going to get cut, and I am probably going to modify this as well a little bit just to see, and it should be nice bell bottoms. Okay, so now that the pants have been sewn together, the pieces, I've also added that band here. I sewed it, you can see even the stitching on this side with some more wool. So that's being done. Now I do have 2 strips here of fabric left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sew them together, probably as such, like this, right? And also turn the hem over so I don't have any of these scraggly pieces there. And then I'm going to somehow incorporate it into a kind of waistband. So let's see how that happens. Hi there. So this is that blanket. Remember that I showed you? I turned it into bell bottoms. Look how wide they are. Nice and wide. They have the fringe. That's from the bottom of the blanket, you know. I kept that. I think they are absolutely fantastic. Don't you think? I love them. So what did I do? I kept, see here, I took this band from some leggings that I have, okay? So I kept that, so I was able to sew this so that I could feel it coming up. Otherwise it's wool, and you know what? It has a tendency to just fall, you know, not be, you know, stiff enough to stay up. So with that, it helps. Of course it's black, so I don't think I'm gonna keep it that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it because I also had this piece of material left, these 2 pieces. I sewed them together using a yarn, and now I'm planning on making something with it. It's either going to be a belt like this, which I think would be super cool, a belt with maybe a button or something, so I'm planning on doing that, and this way I wouldn't have, you know, just to cover the black part. So that. So here's a look with the belt, with that top that covers the black part of the leggings. I think it's super cute. I have it as a belt, so it attaches in the back. I could also twist it around and put a brooch, but so far I think this looks absolutely divine. So that's what I want to show you.